Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. Here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Libra. Libra 2024 September. So let's see what we have for Librans. Right? Libras are considering a lot of options in their life. Right now they are ready to build whatever they even having that financial support. They're feeling like quite comfortable in their space. Okay, right now they're not set on their anything that they want to do in their life, and they're literally not looking at their work in a positive direction. Okay, there is going to be a new beginning for you very very soon. Okay, let's see what the first week, second week, third week and fourth week of September is going to bring. I need to draw one more card. All right, I feel Librans, the first week is going to get you a lot of conflict with a male figure. Okay, here somebody, there will be some kind of emotional conflict with someone. Okay, I feel you will feel very stuck in circumstances. Either you are stuck in your circumstances, or there is someone who's purposely trying to emotionally manipulate you and trying to keep you stuck in one place. You feel that you are fighting a very big battle, but in your hand there is no sword, there is only a wood stick which can break any time. Okay, so the first week you have to realize, or rather work more on affirmations. Okay, I'll tell you a technique where every morning when we get up, the first thing we do is write 10 affirmations. Okay, I'm going to make a reel also on this. We write 10 affirmations and then we start our day. So that way you are going to start your day in a positive manner. So whatever we have thought that we are going to do, we will do. Even if somebody is emotionally manipulating you and keeping you stuck in one place, you have to realize it. Because someone is sweetly talking to us does not mean that person is our well wisher, or does not, some people even try to control you by sweet talks. So please be careful in the first week of September. Second week, you are going to try to move away. Okay, now some people who are going through legal issues will also get an opportunity to leave a negative situation and go towards positive. Okay, you might win the court case or any kind of legal issue that you're in, whoever is in, but this win is not going to be very easy. It's going to be a very difficult journey for you, but you will get through. Okay, other people who are looking to move away from a job, from a house, from a space, a relation, it can happen, but that again will teach you a lot of karmic spiritual lessons. It's not going to be easy, that moving away. Okay, anything that you're asking for, I want my right, I want the world to be fair to me, I want my boss to be fair to me, I want my family to be fair to me, friends to be fair to me, you will get what you deserve. But that, by the time you get, that whole journey is going to be extremely difficult. It's going to hurt you a lot, and it's not going to be easy. So probably end of time you're going to become very very spiritual, connected to the universe, because you have gone through that much. Okay, third week is all about abundance. It's about creativity. If you are looking, anybody is looking for a creative upliftment, you will get it. There will be a lot of blessings of your mother goddess, Mother Mary, Mother Ma Durga, Mother Kuan Yin, anyone, any mother that you believe in is going to bless you abundantly. Your own mother is going to bless you abundantly. Okay, in the third week, because she's the only one who stands by you, right? And in the fourth week, there is super energy of blessings, lot of energy of promotion, energy of maybe money appraisal. Whatever you are looking for as a level up in your life, you're going to get it in the fourth week, right? So yes, imagine having a lot of blessings in the third week for you, Libra, and having a lot of promotions. So it's going to be amazing time from the third week of September. Yes, it's going to be good. So it's a balanced month. You will get both the things. You will get your uh, karmic lessons, and you're getting your rewards too. So let's see what we have in your relationship. Okay, let's see what we have in your married Librans and unmarried single Librans. Married means it could be commitment, live in, marriage, anything, but committed ones. Okay. Okay, so let's see your blocks first. Okay. So I feel that Librans, you are still holding on to your darkest and deepest fears. People who are committed, they're still holding on to their past dark, deep fears. Okay, they are wanting to heal. So the only problem is that they are not looking at the opportunities that they are getting right now in their relationship. Probably their partners want to improve. They are saying, "Come, let's take a therapy," or "Come, let's take a couples therapy." Come, let's involve other people, let's heal, let's talk it out, let's involve little friends so that when we talk to each other we fight. So yeah, any such thing that you are not ready to do, because you just want to mentally manifest that my relationship should get better, but actually not taking a step. Okay. And people who are single, they're still waiting to choose the right person in their life. They are learning slowly to trust. They're learning slowly to embrace whatever the universe is giving them. At the same time, they are also a little confused which path to take. This is what is the state of mind. But I'll tell you, Librans, healing is the best therapy in your life. When you reach out to someone, either a healer like me or any psychological therapist, believe me, it will help you so much in your life that you're going to come out of all the negative situations, and you will see lot of abundance come in your life. The problem here is that trust is a very big thing. Okay, and in September I feel you will learn to trust. You will either you are going to totally shut yourself down, say I don't want to listen to anybody, or few of you might take a small step in sharing and caring and coming out of your isolation and coming, say, okay, I'm done, I just want to get rid of all the stupidity in my life, right? So yes, this month is going to teach you a lot of karmic lessons, and you're going to eventually decide to come out of it, right? So I don't think anybody's going in a relationship, or in a relationship any movement is happening if you're already in one. Okay, let's see what message we have from Ganesh. Okay, and call me, WhatsApp me, and email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Goodbye, God bless, bye bye.